The mind is not the vessel to be filled, but the fire to be ignited. With sun's warm embrace and a bright new day, with the melody of bird song in the air, let the light of day chase away the lingering shadows. I, Ashwita, take the honor to welcome each one of you present at our class annual presentation.
A very heartwarming good morning to all, respected MD Sir Dr. P.K. Sudhan, Honorable Principal Ma'am Dimfia Reddy Ma'am, our loving Vice Principal Ma'am Dr. Gurvinder Bajwa Ma'am, Directors, valuable teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am thrilled to welcome you all to the launch pad of our day, which is a testament to the hard work and dedication of each one involved.
Today, we the students of class 11 have lined up a program with the thought promoting group discussion, vibrant performances, dazzling dances and soul-stirring songs. I promise it will be a remarkable journey of self-expression, inspiration and boundless possibilities that will set your soul on fire and blow your mind.
So without further ado, let's together create some unforgettable memories today.
Pledging is more than a ritual, a promise, a commitment that we make to uphold our duties, values and principles. So with conviction and purpose, I request you all to please stand up, extend your right hand and let's commit to our pledge.
Now please take your position, put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. O God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and action of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen.
An inspiring thought can be catalyst that drives us to approach the day with enthusiasm and purpose. To ignite the flame of inspiration this morning, here comes my classmate, Shivraj Rana, to share the thought of the day.
Banking is not just a number, but about the building relationship. Bank true wealth lies in the confidence and faith of his customers. Every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 days. I repeat my thought. Every day is a bank account and time is our currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 days. Thank you.
Poetry lifts veil from the hidden beauty of the earth and makes familiar objects as if it was unfamiliar. So please welcome the students of our class, Diana and Saida, for a wonderful poem.
The title of our poem is Ode to RBI.
In the heart of a billion dreams, a silent guardian it seems, the Reserve Bank stands tall and wise, guiding India as it flies.
Custodian of nation's gold, stories of growth and wealth untold. With steady hands and watchful eyes, it keeps the economy in the skies.
Through shifting winds and stormy gales, its policies are the steadfast sails, steering the ship through tides of change, balancing the range ever so strong.
Guardian of currency crisp and clean, from the smallest note to the unseen, ensuring flow both smooth and bright. In the markets day and night.
The RBI with vistos great holds the nation's pearls in its embrace, an anchor in the financial sea, a beacon of trust and stability.
So here's to the RBI, steady and true. In every note and policy, it renews. In the dream of millions, vast and wide, a symbol of pride, India's guide. A symbol of pride, India's guide. Thank you.
Us to unfold with the grace of a tree, giving out leaves, flowers, and then tiny fruits. Nothing so beautiful can be, says the legend of classical music, Pandit Birju Maharaj. Now I call upon the stage classical dancers of our class for a mesmerizing dance performance.
and purify our character and sensibilities. In no time of care and sorrow, it will keep a fountain of joy alive in you. So here comes Gursimran with a lovely song that will make you tap your toes and provoke you to sing. So sit back and enjoy.
A single conversation across the table with a wise man is better than 10 years mere study of books. So here we are with a group discussion on role of RBI to delve more with the topic.
What is RBI? The Reserve Bank of India, abbreviated as RBI, is India's central bank and regulatory body responsible for the regulation of Indian banking system. Owned by the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, it is responsible for the control issue and maintaining supply of Indian rupee. It is a leading member of Alliance for Financial Inclusion and often referred as Mainstream.
Here's the history of RBI. It was founded on 1st April 1935 under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 against the economic trouble after the First World War. India was the first colony to have its own central bank, though initially owned privately. It was nationalized in 1949 and then since fully owned by Ministry of Finance, Government of India.
The Central Bank of India is responsible for the overall control and functioning. It is a 21-member body which includes official directors as well as non-official directors. Official directors includes a governor of RBI and no more than 4 deputy governors, whereas non-official directors includes 10 directors from various fields.
Let us discuss some basic functions of RBI. First, issue of currency. RBI is responsible for the management of currency in India. It also ensures an adequate supply of clean and genuine note in the economy.
Second, banker to the government. It acts as a banker, agent and advisor to the government of India and states. It performs all banking function and manage public debt of government.
Bankers Bank. The striking function of RBI is that it plays the important role in the bank.
RBI formulate and implement monetary policy to control inflation, stabilize the currency and promote economic growth. Key tools include repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio (CRR) and statutory liquidity ratio (SLR), which we will discuss later in the discussion.
Regulations and supervision of financial institutions. RBI regulates and supervises commercial bank, non-banking financial companies, NBFCs and other financial institutions to ensure the stability and efficiency of financial system. It issues guidelines and framework to maintain the financial discipline and protect deposit interest.
Foreign exchange management. RBI manages foreign exchange management and facilitates external trade and payment to promote. It also manages foreign exchange market in India and facilitates external trade.
RBI uses various quantitative and qualitative measures to control inflation and deflation in the economy through its monetary policy. Now let's study quantitative measures.
Bank rate. Bank rate is a rate as RBI lends money to over commercial bank. RBI uses bank rate to control liquidity in the economy. For example, if RBI raises bank rate, then the interest for loans and deposit increases, cooling down an overheated economy.
Repo rate. It is same as bank rate, but the period of money lending is short.
Cash reserve ratio. CRR is the percentage of money that commercial banks must keep in reserve with RBI in the form of liquid cash. This means banks require to maintain a certain fraction of deposits as cash reserve rather than lending them out or investing them. By adjusting CRR, RBI can influence the amount of money that banks have to lend and lower CRR. It means banks have more money to lend. Besides this, CRR ensures that banks have sufficient liquidity to meet the short-term obligations and customers' withdrawals. The current CRR is 4.50%.
Statutory liquidity ratio. It is the minimum percentage of commercials bank deposit that must be maintained in the form of liquid asset such as cash, gold or government securities, etc. By adjusting SLR, RBI controls the amount of liquid assets such as
Open market operations. Open market operations refer to buying and selling of government securities in open markets by RBI. When RBI buys government securities in open markets, it injects liquidity into banking system. This increases reserves of bank, allowing them to lend more. Conversely, when RBI sells government securities, it absorbs liquidity from banking system. This reduces reserves of bank, leading to higher rate interest reduction, which can control inflation.
Role of RBI in shaping Indian economy. RBI has played a crucial role in shaping Indian economy since its inception in 1935. From managing the monetary policy to regulating financial sections, RBI has been instrumental in laying foundations for economic growth. In fact, India's GDP has grown from just rupees 30.6 billion to 3.4 trillion in 1950, according to World Bank policies out of poverty 2011 and 2015.
At last, we could say that RBI's job is to construct a multi-layer and cooperative society. Thank you.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time played many parts, says Shakespeare. As you know, the topic for today is role of Reserve Bank of India. So here we are portraying the role of RBI during the economic crisis such as COVID-19.
Let's go to the flashback. November 2019, the world was hit by an unprecedented economic turmoil because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Businesses shuttered, jobs were lost, and uncertainty loomed large. But in the heart of the storm, one institution took decisive action to stabilize the economy and support millions across the nation. This is the story of how the Reserve Bank of India became a beacon of hope during the pandemic.
Scene 1. Ordinary people grapple with challenges of everyday life.
A small business owner is seen struggling to pay his employees.
Hi Diana, how are you? Why you seem so upset?
It's been days since we had a decent crowd. If things don't pick up soon, we might have to close. I just hope the bank approves our loan. We need it more than ever.
A farmer is seen with a drought-affected field.
Hey brother, why so sad?
The monsoon failed again. My crops are withering. How will I repay the bank loan without any harvest?
A patient is seen outside a hospital.
I have got the prescription, but I don't know how I'm going to pay for it. Nowadays, every day is like a new challenge.
Bank manager and officials of a small finance bank discussing lending.
Sir, we are going out of funds. We have very little liquidity left for lending.
Oh no, if this continues, will face a huge economic crunch. Our bank may be crashed.
These are just a few examples of a countless problem faced by the people across the country during the pandemic. The need for a solution is urgent.
Scene 2. Problems and solutions in RBI headquarters. In RBI headquarters, the governor along with senior officials and advisors are discussing the economic crisis.
Hello everyone, Mr. Shaktikanta Das, our governor, is going to have a meeting now.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a seat. Economic crisis triggered by the pandemic demands our immediate and multifaceted response. We must act decisively to safeguard our financial system and support the economy.
Sir, the banks are facing severe liquidity constraints. What can we do to ensure that they have enough funds to continue their operations and support the borrowers?
We will initiate long-term repo operations. This will provide banks with necessary liquidity at lower interest rate for extended periods. By doing this, we will help them in managing their cash flow and extend more credit to businesses and individuals.
Sir, what about the current cash reserve requirements for banks? Do we need to adjust that as well?
Yes, we will reduce the cash reserve ratio temporarily. This reduction will allow banks to retain a larger proportion of the deposits and use them for lending. For instance, lowering CRR from 4% to 3%. It will free up significant resources.
Sir, the financial markets are also in turmoil. What can we do to stabilize it?
We will introduce a special liquidity facility for financial market. This facility will support the commercial paper market and ensure that liquidity continues to flow. We are prepared to engage in open market operations to inject liquidity into the system as required.
Sir, I have the latest economic data. The situation has worsened. There is a sharp increase in defaults on loans.
This data reinforces the need for immediate actions. We must be adaptable and responsive to these changing conditions.
Sir, how will we manage the communication of these measures to the public and ensure they are implemented effectively?
Clear and transparent communication is crucial. We need to ensure that the public, businessmen and financial institutions understand the support available to them and know how to access it.
Sir, with these measures in place, we can stabilize the financial system and support economic recovery. It's crucial that we act with precision and monitor the outcomes closely.
Agreed. Let's move forward with urgency and coordination. Our goal is to stabilize the financial system, support borrowers and businessmen, and ensure recovery of the economy.
As the discussion continued, the RBI team worked diligently to craft solutions that will benefit the nation economy and its people.
Scene 3. Press conference. Stage is set as a press conference room. RBI governor stands on a podium announcing measures.
Good afternoon. Have a seat. The Reserve Bank of India is taking the decisive action to address the economic challenges posed by COVID-19 pandemic by implementing several measures to support the economy. First, we are reducing the repo rate from 5.15% to 4% and the reverse repo rates from 4.90% to 3.35%. This cut in the rates will help lower borrowing costs for banks and businessmen. To enhance liquidity, we are conducting long-term repo operations or LTROs. We have already injected approximately rupees 1.2 trillion into banking system through LTROs, providing banks with low-cost funds to support lending.
Sir, how will these measures benefit public and business?
The reduction in rates and increased liquidity will lower borrowing costs and make credit more accessible. Conditionally, we are reducing the reserve ratio from 4% to 3%, freeing up about rupees 1.5 trillion for banks. This will enable them to increase lending for consumers and businesses.
Sir, what about financial markets? There has been significant volatility.
We are introducing a special liquidity facilities to stabilize financial markets. This includes a rupees 50,000 crores for banking finance companies and housing finance companies. This will ensure smooth market operations and prevent disruptions.
Sir, can you explain the loan moratorium in more detail?
Yes, we are introducing a 6-month moratorium on loan repayments, allowing borrowers to defer the payments from March 2020 to August 2020. This applies to both retail and corporate loans. It is intended to give a financial relief to those struggling due to the pandemic.
Sir, how do you see these measures impacting the economy in long term?
These measures are designed to support long-term recovery by stabilizing the financial system and adding economic activity. PR laying the foundation for a robust recovery and a more resilient economy.
Through the rate cuts, LTROs, CRR reductions, etc., RBI aims to address the economic challenges of the pandemic, providing crucial support and paving way for recovery.
The Reserve Bank of India is committed to navigate this challenging time through these measures. Thank you.
After policy implementation.
Months have passed since the RBI implemented its policies. Let us see how people are faring now.
All thanks to RBI, I was able to get a loan and reinvest in my business. Now we have more products and customers.
That's a big relief, Tyagana.
Farmer is seen with a bountiful harvest.
The government helped me in getting through the drought. The flexibility in repayment schedule because of moratorium on loan was a godsend.
Patient is leaving hospital with smile.
The new polyester medicine price has made a huge difference. I can finally afford the treatment I need and my health is improving.
Bank manager and officials are happy.
Thanks to new liquidity facility of RBI, we can now extend more lending capital to individuals and businesses.
Huge thanks to RBI.
At last, we could say that RBI plays an important role in our economy, right? Think about it, how it safeguards our money and ensures that inflation doesn't go out of control and keeps the banking system stable. Now imagine how difficult would be our life without RBI's proper rules and regulations. Thank you.
The character of instrumental music lets the emotions radiate and shine in their own character without presuming them to be real or imaginary representations. So here's my friend Ishnu for an instrumental performance.
Dance is passion. Dance is divine. Dance is when steps and beats combine. Now some students of our class are coming for a group dance performance.
माँ भवानी का पुत्र, मराठों की शान, मातृभूमि पर सर्वस्व न्यौछावर करके बचाए थे अपनों के प्राण। ऐसे वीर धरती पुत्र मराठा गौरव के दक्षिण के शेर श्री 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 छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज।
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज चंद्र की घड़ी के तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम
Thank you.